Like you've heard me say before, you can eat pasta and still lose weight. Last week, I shared with you my high protein, 130 calorie, 13 grams of protein, ultra cheesy, creamy Alfredo sauce recipe. This week, I'm sharing with you a cheesy, high protein tomato sauce recipe. This is another simple blend and cook recipe, perfect as a weeknight meal for your healthy eating and weight loss journey. It uses simple ingredients and pantry staples to make this fragrant and cheesy sauce. This recipe makes 5 servings of sauce. Each serving is 130 calories and 7 grams of protein. Most tomato sauces only have a couple grams of protein per serving. This sauce is great paired with high protein and fiber pasta like banza. For 3 tips on how to eat pasta and lose weight, check out my video on this topic here. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, now you want to try the pasta?
All right. Pretty good. No, it tastes good. It tastes pretty creamy, cheesy. Do you parmesan or no?
No parmesan. It's just cottage cheese.
Pretty cheesy. Tastes good. Nice mix, not sour or anything.
Nice, thank you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my elite weight loss coaching program at adriennerd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes of healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.